All right, here we have a Remington TAC-14 SBS. Adjust the lighting here a little bit. What's better? That way. That way. I like that. All right, TAC-14 SBS, 12 gauge. I bought a TAC-14 at Highsmith Guns, and they were pretty much cheaper than anybody else that had them. So I went ahead and bought that there. It came with the front slide on it. So all I had to do is buy the stock and stamp it. But what was cool about this is with the stamp in this thing, you're in at $550, $600. So it's not that bad. It's super loud. It doesn't kick real bad. It looks really cool. I need to get my shit together and get a +1 at the end there so it's flush. But it's definitely a fun little gun to shoot. It's a nice gun to keep, in the closet. Nothing says get out of my house in the middle of the night like a little shotgun, but it's nice because it's so short. If you have to go through your house or something, you can keep it really nice and tight to all of the walls. It's not having a 28-inch barrel at the end of it. I mean, it's Remington 870, and there's really not a lot to say to it. It gets a little surface rust on it. You got to keep it oiled. Shoots good. Shoots reliable. But for anybody that wanted to see a TAC-14 SBS with Magpul furniture, there it is. It's probably my favorite gun.